This is Best from Best Review Warriors. Hello and welcome to my Eagle Emails review. In this video, I'll be walking you through this new product called Eagle Emails. What is Eagle Emails? Eagle Emails is a cloud-based step-by-step video training program that shows you everything you need to know to succeed in email marketing. The training comes from an online marketer, Dawood Islam, who only recently got into internet marketing and has been doing exceptionally well. He's also a professional journalist, author, and copywriter. So he knows exactly what it means to produce stunning emails. In addition, he provides you with top-notch email swipes that has made him successful in email marketing. Furthermore, he shows you how to rewrite email swipes to make them unique, with the opportunity to have them convert even better. Also, Eagle Email provides you an opportunity to ensure that your mails hit the primary inbox as much as possible, and how you can avoid using spammy words. Now, let us go over to the members area. Yes, when you sign up to Eagle Emails, this is what the members area will look like. Here you have your dashboard and the support. This is essentially what you will see when you log into the Eagle Emails training platform. You have an overview of what it is all about. Then you have the training program, step-by-step training program on everything you need to know to succeed with email marketing. For instance, you have how to test inbox delivery, avoiding spam words, how to test inbox delivery. For instance, you need to be sure that your mails will deliver to the inbox of those on your list. For you to have reasonable open rates, your mails must inbox into the primary folders. Dawood Islam explains to you some tricks that will ensure that you successfully inbox, that will ensure that your mail successfully inbox in the primary folders, in the primary mailbox. Then he also shows you how to avoid spammy words, the science of email marketing, and how often you should email your list. Do you want to know how often you email your list? You will find all that inside this training program. It also shows you other methods, the minimal approach, the negative positive approach, the scarcity approach, the story method, the extra offer approach, how to use coupons and promos to get better click-through rates on your emails. And he also provides email swipes that will help you build yours. He offers you free email swipes for new lists, for buyers, and for unresponsive lists. And he also shows you how to use these swipes. In addition, in the training module, he also shows you the best way to use other people's email swipes in such a way that you make the swipe unique to you. In addition, he provides you several other resources and bonuses that you can use to enhance your email marketing success. This essentially is what is covered in the Eagle Emails training program. And I tell you, this is a must-have for not only beginners, but even some experienced marketers. Now, to make this also a good package for you, I have put together some of the best bonuses that you can ever find on the internet for this program, for this product. Let me show you some of my bonuses. The bonuses I have for you are: the first, list building expert. In this, you will find tutorials and training programs on how best to build your list. You also have the Urgency Suite Pro. The Urgency Suite Pro is a software that will help you enhance the click-through rates on your emails through using the scarcity technique. And it also comes with it timers and urgency bars. The social media boom will show you how to get free and viral traffic using social media, how to market on social media and gain followers. This also will show you how to leverage social media to draw free traffic to your sales funnel. We also have speedy content publishing tips. This will also equip you with the skills necessary to come up with unique and highly converting emails to send to your list. Then the traffic machine, the slide share tips video. It shows you how to draw free traffic from the slide share platform. We also have the 25 proven traffic methods. 100 killer headlines. The 100 killer headlines will give you ideas on how to come up with headlines that will ensure that you have very good open rates, and in such a way that your emails will not appear spammy. Then you have the 2,500 email swipes. I will offer you 2,500 highly converting email swipes that you can combine with this training program and make them unique so that you get higher click-through rates and conversion. Then we have the Instagram marketing secrets. We also have the instant content creator and the email marketing success. This will show you how to do email marketing in such a way that you achieve great success, and how to write captivating emails and 7-figure marketing guide. Then we have finally the WordPress ebook maker. These are the bonuses that are very congruent with this training that will help you boost your marketing efforts using email marketing. If you think this product is for you, click on the first link in the description below and it will take you to the sales page that will look exactly like this. Now we're on the sales page of Eagle Emails, and this is exactly what the sales page will look like. Do you want to learn the secrets of email marketing? That essentially is what is covered in this training program. Are you fed up with poor results? Yes. If you really want to overcome the poor results you've been having, or if you have not started at all and you want to start in an excellent way, this training program and my bonuses are all that you need to make profound success using email marketing. Now, if you head over to the sales page, you will see this button. Simply click on it and interact with the button. Thereafter, you will gain access to Eagle Emails. Now over here are some of the performances of Dawood Islam. As I told you earlier, he only recently got into online marketing and he has been doing very well, as the figures here will show. Now let us head over to the sales funnel. This is what the Eagle Emails sales funnel will look like. The front end comes at an early bird price of $7.95, and this is bound to go up on a dime sale. So the earlier you pick up this product, the cheaper you will buy it. Now what do you get from the front end? You will learn how to write great emails using several different methods and techniques across several modules. Also, you will learn how to take email swipes written by other marketers and make subtle changes that will make them more effective and make them your own. In addition, you get 3 sets of emails, as I told you earlier, as I showed you in the members area. You get emails, you get a set of emails, about 10 days email sequence for new subscribers, for product purchasers, and for an unresponsive list. All this you get for $7.95 if you hurry up and pick it. As I said earlier, the earlier you pick it, the cheaper the price will be. Then you have the OTO1. The OTO1 is the Eagle Emails 365, and it is going for $37. In the OTO1, you get a complete set of emails for every single day of the year, so that you can plug this sequence into your autoresponder and enjoy done for you passive results all year round. That meaning for a whole year, you will not need to write or worry about any emails, because you have emails completely done for you for a whole year. Then you have the OTO2. The OTO2 termed Eagle Emails Super Solo. In the OTO2, which is going for $67, you get 6 times free solo ads from the entire network of 16,000 contacts. Dawood Islam operates several traffic generating websites, and he's going to give you 6 times free solo ads on his entire network of over 16,000 contacts, and this will be going for $67. That is the OTO2. Then the OTO3, Quadruple resale rights, which is going for $97. You sell Eagle Emails plus 3 of his previous products, which are Cash List Creator, Cow Moolah, and Tiger's Traffic, and you sell them as your own, and you earn 100% commissions across the entire funnels. That is, for every sale you make, you keep whatever profit you make 100%. Then we have the OTO4, which is the Eagle Emails Done For You, which is going for $197. And in this upsell, Dawood Islam is offering you a one-on-one with him, where you will discuss exactly the kind of email marketing you want to. He will create and write a bespoke email campaign just for you and your list. Select a general approach or create a campaign based around a particular product of your own or a set of affiliate products you want to promote. And essentially, you get to have a one-on-one discussion with him on how to set up your campaigns. So I tell you, if you want to bank it big through email marketing, or if you are completely newbie and you are starting off, this product is for you. And I tell you, at $7.95 for the front end, depending on what time you pick up this product, this Eagle Emails training is a complete no-brainer. So I urge you, click on the link in the description below if you think this product is for you, and head over to the sales page. Having gone through our review video, we urge you to please subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, and like this video so that when next we upload product review videos, you will be notified. Thank you for watching our Eagle Emails review to the end. See you in the next.